Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Libras. We'll be picking few cards from each deck, guys, for your general energies, love energies, and for your oracle guidance. So these are the cards: Two of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, and Queen of Cups. So with these cards, guys, the energy is that maybe in your work situation or your relationship, guys, you are uh, you are in a position that you have to make some important decisions today, something that may be really difficult for you, some compromise has to be made in order to make your next step. So some difficult decisions are there, and maybe for some of you, you are not accepting the truth about something. It may be about some situation or about some person. So though you are getting that information, you find it really hard to believe uh, the information. So some denial is there on your part. That is what I see here. And maybe for some of you in your career situation, you may be getting some very profitable deals or some projects, or it may be relating to your relationship, something which you are really happy about. So those what you it may be something beyond your expectations, some turn of events that is happening in your life today, guys, in your relationship maybe, or in your career situation, guys. That is the energy here. And maybe for some of you, you may be a person who has a great intuition. So whatever situation is, you what to say, you may feel that intuitive nudges towards some choices or what decisions you need to make, and you are a person who follows your heart always. So that is also what I see here, Libras. Let us see what are these cards, guys. What is the energy with the other cards? Let's pick more cards from the other deck, guys. This is for your love energy. Dog, bouquet, and choices. So with this card, guys, the energy is that this person is really loyal to you, guys. They are devoted to you, they have trust on you, and they love you. You share a great compatibility, and they have made their choice. That is what I see here. And also maybe in your situation, if you had some stressful situations or some kinds of quarrels or some misunderstandings in your relationship, you are getting that clarity today, guys. You are seeing things as it is, the truth. That is what I see here. That harmony, contentment is there, and that intimacy is there in this relationship. You have that sincerity, love, and trust with this person. So things are going a very positive way in your relationship, Libras. That is what I see with these cards. Let us see what is your oracle's guidance. We'll be picking one card randomly, guys. This is the card for you. Clean it up. So with this card, guys, the energy for you all is that maybe in our situation, guys, maybe in our relationship or maybe in our work situation, all things that are causing that clutter in our situation, whatever we do not need, we have to clear it up, guys, because each and every thing has energy. So things that we do not use, it will occupy that energetic space in our house, in our work, So we need to clear it up, so we can give that away, guys, whatever we do not need. And same way in our relationship, whatever baggage that we are carrying with us today, maybe some arguments or memories of the past, whatever is troubling us, we need to give up all that to free ourselves from that past, from that negatives. When we do that, we will flourish in our relationship. The same way in our work situation, guys. um, Maybe we would have had some past failures, something would have gone wrong. So we have to just go for that learning, and we should not let that past, what to say, make us feel a low self esteem, or hinder us today in our present in making a forward move in our life. So whatever opportunities that are coming towards us, we need to embrace them, accept them as a blessing. So that is what this card is about. So whatever that is not working, Libras, you need to give that up, guys. That is the oracle's guidance for you all, and that is the reading for today, Libras. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.